Hey guys, welcome back to another scary video game that I'll be playing. This game is called The Evil Within, and this is my first time playing. I hope that it's a good story with some, jump scare and like something that I would expect for a very scary game to play. I don't know much about this game. I just know that it's a single player, and I believe I'm a cop. So I'm not too sure about this whole storyline, but that's just like a little bit that I know. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And yeah, once you're subscribed to my channel, I will pick one lucky winner for every 100 subscriber, and that person will get a $30 value of Steam game gifted to you. So all you have to do is subscribe and enjoy my video. Let's start a new game. Adjust the brightness. Let's see. Oh, that wheelchair moved. Let's do the middle right here. Okay. Oh, what is this? Casual, standard difficulty, and challenge and overcome your fears. For the weak and fearful, auto aim enabled by default and slightly more ammo than normal. I'd rather do casual. I want more ammos, cause I ain't that good. Alternate controls.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Beacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
A call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
184, be advised. Some problem reaching on the Beacon Memorial.
Is there any...
God damn it! Jesus!
Damn. The graphics are pretty good.
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm sure we'll know everything once we get there.
Damn, that's a lot of cops there.
What do you make of it?
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
Right.
Damn, cops arrived and no one's around except us. Okay, let's see how this game goes. Oh, this is weird. I'm actually moving this guy. Who should I follow? Follow the girl. Whoa. Am I lagging a little bit? They're walking really
What do
slow.
you see, Kidman?
Rain is gonna wash away any evidence.
Okay, man. Can you walk faster since it's in the rain? I'm just gonna go front door, man. Let's see if anything's gonna happen.
Smells like blood.
All right. Stay sharp.
Damn, that cop. The Asian-looking cop with the glasses looks
We're gonna
like...
check it out. Don't let anyone else through this door.
I can be an extra set of eyes.
We don't know what's happening here. You're a backup.
Yeah, he looked like a hitman. Where's my gun? Can't even click anything.
Did you hear something?
Yeah, I did. I think I heard. Damn, why is there so much blood? How do you run?
Someone alive in here.
Are you injured?
Doctor?
What happened here?
Can't be real. Impossible. Ruvik is...
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
Security cameras. Okay, let's take a look at the security cameras. Whoa, what the hell?
What the hell?
Yeah, I would say that too. I was gonna look at the camera. Oh, that's scary. That's scary when something is like staring at you. Is he dead? It looks like that game Assassin. Oh, he actually got captured? I thought it was like I don't know, some kind of vision. Whoa, what the hell? Move mouse, rotate camera. Oh, I can't look at that way for some reason. Press space repeatedly. I'm grabbing the knife. I'm trying to grab a knife, yep. Damn, the other guy can't even hear that? That I fell? Uh-oh. Now I gotta do something about it. Where's my knife? Damn. I don't even know what's my keys. I'm like, control to sneak around. Okay. Is he going in? Turn the music off. A key ring found in a mental hospital basement. These were in use long before the hospital's modern security. Okay. Oh no! Oh! Am I supposed to get caught? Oh, I'm dead. Damn. Where am I supposed to go anyways? Can't pick this up. Dude, those keys are really flashy. So after I pick it up, what do I do? Okay, he's going over there. What? Dude, this is like Friday the 13th. Okay, I'm gonna grab the keys and move back this time. They said this is easy or casual mode. It's supposed to be the easiest one. Doesn't seem like it. Come on. Where's the door anyways? And why can't I run? Okay. Let's see if I can open this door here. Oh, I could. He opens it really slow. I'm trying to run, but I don't know what's the button to run. I'm holding shift and it's not working. Yes, checkpoint. Where is he? Isn't he below me? Damn. That's a lot of blood. What? Oh, that's like Friday the 13th. Now you run? Oh, damn, he's right behind me. Run, 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 run. Oh, I actually got hit? No. Wow, that's some good traps. Run, run, run. Wow. How does he know that? Damn. Wait, did I say Friday the 13th? I meant Texas Chainsaw Massacre. That guy, that enemy, looks just like whatever he's doing. Just looks like Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And I'm in like in his home. Damn, I really can't run, huh? It is pretty dark. Do I still got my keys? I don't even have flashlights. Which way? Let's go this way. Man, there's like a freaking dumpster here. Or sewage. What happened to all my partner? Did they all died? Let's try this door. Oh, wow, it works. Nothing I can pick up? Nope. Damn, am I gonna be crippled this whole time?
Where's the exit?
Yeah, where's the exit? Okay, what did I pick up? Beside the lock gate at the far end of the sewer, there's a ladder which would take you to the old ward. If you can make it through there, you would find an elevator leading outside. You will be the one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. Okay. Behind the lock gate as far end of the sewer. Okay. Should I even test out this door? No, I don't think it's gonna... Actually, maybe I can pick something up. You never know. What? It won't open. Never mind. Damn, I think I should have made the brightness brighter since it's kind of dark. Okay, can I open these? Nope. Okay, I'll go up the ladder. Yeah, it is pretty dark. Damn, this is hella slow going up the ladder. Okay, let's see, what do I see? Oh, what kind of place is this? Okay, let's pick up boiler room note. Do I need to read this? Nah, forget it. I have a feeling I'll be crippled this whole time. I don't have medicine or anything. Aw. Thought that's like to heal myself, but I guess not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be crippled this whole time. Uh-oh. Hold space. Control to hide. Ooh! I made it just in time. Holy crap. What's he doing? Oh, he's breaking everything. Am I free to go? Oh wait, that's a dead end. Enemy alertness icon. Proximity. Okay, when an enemy is within a certain distance, proximity icon. Okay, got it. I know what this is. Oh no! I think he's coming back. Right? He's at the door. Come on, walk away so I could walk across the room. Come on. What's taking him so long?
Can't let him see me.
Wait, do I really have to go through there? Oh my god. Okay, I gotta see what's this pattern. Uh-oh. Oh, I better go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Ooh. I got something. What's this item for? My health? Ooh, I'm free. Oh, what? Oh, come on! Why is this wheelchair blocking me? Go, 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 go! Come on, get up! Get up! Crawl your way out. Come on. Whoa, come on! Oh, just made it. Wait, I'm going upstairs? Oh, that was close. What have you got yourself into? What is that?
Find myself within.
Oh, come on.
Darkness.
Alright, we're gonna skip this.
There is nothing I can do. And this world doesn't spin. It just turns itself around and around. The night chokes tight in the noose.
Oh, I'm not hurt anymore? Okay, why am I not running? At first I was running. Ooh. Now I'm running? Come on. Oh, I'm going this way. What the hell? It is earthquake.
Detective! Get in! Get in!
Ew, damn, what kind of earthquake is this? Oh, the stick shift. Yeah, you got a patient in there?
Hey, where's Joseph? Man, I'm sorry, but you never came out. I'd waited, but...
Please, settle down, Leslie.
Settle down, Leslie. Settle down, Leslie.
Uh-oh.
Settle down, Leslie.
That patient's been returning.
Shit! There's no going back.
Oh. Dude, that was hella close. What the hell? The whole Earth shifted?
Shit.
Damn. That's crazy.
Damn it. Are we cut off from everyone?
Everyone must be dead.
Most likely.
Everyone all right back there?
Just a few bumps. We're fine.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
We will be once we're far away.
Fine.
A little further and we'll be fine.
Fine. Fine.
What the hell?
Fine. 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 Fine.
Fall! Fall!
What the hell?
Look out!
Fall! Fall! Fall!
Oh, damn. What the hell? That was chapter 1? Oh, am I done with chapter 1? Okay, I gotta save the game. Okay. Saving. Good. Okay, next chapter. Chapter 2? Oh, that was quick. What's going on? Look down, look down, look down. I hope I'm in the right chapter if I fell off the cliff like that and maybe these doctors found me on the road. Perform the operation. I'm trying to look around. Am I gonna see something? Oh, what is that? Uh-oh. Is that the Chainsaw Massacre guy? Damn, that looks like Resident Evil stuff right now, man. I was dreaming. Okay, that's the news. I don't need to look at that. Pick up. Okay, let's go.
Hello? Anybody there?
What was it? 704?
Are we awake?
Is everyone else all right? The city.
Whatever are you talking about? You are the only soul here.
Soul?
Right now.
Am I dreaming? I'm probably dreaming.
A hospital.
This place is necessary for you. You're always welcome here.
I've been hospitalized?
I'm afraid I cannot answer that. Please, sign in here. Without signing in. There's no way to ensure your future memories. This way, please.
Space to save. Okay, maybe I should save the game. Okay, new slot or override it? I'm gonna override it. Actually, no. Let's make a new slot. Okay. What kind of hospital is this?
Smells like medicine.
This looked like a scary hospital.
You are all right. Please, relax. Please, have a seat.
This isn't right. This looks kind of funky.
What the hell?
Yep. I was right.
You mustn't fight it. This is for your own good.
No. Stop.
Wait, what? Green gel can be used to upgrade individual skill parameters. Press enter to upgrade.
There now. You see? All better.
Lady, am I going crazy?
What was that about?
Now what makes you say that? I'll be waiting.
Oh, that was a dream. Oh, here comes the scary part, out in the woods.
Shit. What the hell is going on? Where am I?
Syringe, okay, that's for my health, I'm guessing. The origin of the medication is travel syringe is unknown, but it provides moderate health restoration. Yep. Just
Kidman,
press Y to
where are you?
access. I'll press V. Where's my other item? Oops.
Connolly!
Did I do that? They're all dead, probably. Damn. That's a lot of items I can pick up. Where do I even go? Oh, I just follow the blood trail. Oh no. Or why can't I just go grab a flashlight as well? Damn, how far am I gonna run? Just keep following the blood trail. I think that's one of the hints. What the hell? F. Attack enemies or objects barehanded with a melee. Okay. Oh. Okay, more syringe. Or actually, whatever that item is. Okay, where do I go after that? Any more blood trails I have to follow? Okay, let's go this way. Looks like this is the right path. Oh yes, that's what I need.
Hey!
There's a colony down there. That's probably a zombie or something. That guy's eating. No, that's gotta be a zombie. Yep. That's gotta be a zombie. Ooh.
Connolly?
She's a zombie. Oh, damn. Come on. Go for the head, go for the head.
My God, Connolly.
Oh, I can't pick up anything. Dude, I can't even pick up the handcuffs? Come on, man. Oh, yes. Whatever that is. Nothing? Okay. Oh, man. I think this is my next spot. Where's my flashlight? Number 1, number 2. Okay. Did I really drop my light? Press Q to use a lantern. Oh. Oh, I'm carrying it already? Okay. Oh. Wait. I know that guy.
Hurts! Hurts!
Whoa.
Booby trap.
Were you warning me about this? You are Leslie, right? I'm a police officer. Maybe I should help you.
Should help you.
Shit. How am I gonna get you to a hospital?
Hospital. Hospital. Hospital.
Hospital! Hospital!
Oh, man.
What the fuck?
Trap parts are needed to craft bolts for the Agony crossbow. They are used in the inventory screen. Okay, well now I'm holding shift. Finally. Damn, I'm tired already. I don't even run that much. Why are there so much dead bodies? Approach a fallen enemy, press C to burn them. Destroying them completely, burning consumes 1 match. If the same enemies are close enough, they can all be burned with 1 match. Other things besides corpse enemies can also be burned. Why burn it? That's just a waste of match, right? But well, let's take a look and see what happens. That's it. Can't go in there? Okay, it's burned and now it's gone. I think that was a waste of a match. Guess I'm going in here. It's the girl with the mirror. Oh my god. You know what that reminds me of? Like when a girl walks towards a mirror and it has to be this kind of mirror that it's like rounded. It's like that Japanese Grudge when I watched when I was a kid. And man, that movie was scary. Uh-oh.
Shit.
Oh man, back in a dream.
What the? Back here again. I must be losing it.
Yes, you are. Okay. Should I just follow the mirror? Let's see what happens. Oh my god, I'm right. Wait, what? I could just do that anytime? Let's try again. Whoa. Why does that happen? Well, at least I have a gun this time, and I'm guessing this is not a dream.
What's the matter? You don't look well.
Okay, I'm gonna save it.
You should take better care of yourself.
Yes, I should. Oh, what's this? I'm in the same place. No, I'm not finished yet. Let me go back. Okay. So whenever I look at any mirrors, I teleport at the same spot.
The worrying type, I see.
Yes. Let's try this. Let's see what happens. Wait, what? What is this? Is this to upgrade your... like, upgrade your weapons? No way, you can upgrade your weapons? Wow, it really is. Abilities. Oh, you can upgrade your stamina, I guess? Your life? Huh. Okay, let's not look at this. I think I'm okay with upgrading. Okay, let's go. Where's that mirror? Okay. Okay, let's just forget about that. Okay, so I guess every time when I look at the mirror, that will let me go back to my dream and save my game. Okay, let's try this way. Oh my god, more zombies. That's right. What was it? Control? Do I need to burn it? I don't need to burn it, right? So what happens if I don't burn it? Does that mean they will come back to life? I don't know. I'm not gonna burn it. Let's see what happens. Okay, there's one guy in here, but I don't know where he is. Oh, wait. Oh, it's my patient. He sure knows where he's going. Okay, what now? I'm just gonna call these zombies. Freaking more zombies.
Hey, are you guys from around here? I don't know where...
Can't go on.
Okay, he's half zombie. Oh, what's going on? Holy crap, that's gotta be painful. Oh my god. Okay, right mouse 2, hold aim within a certain distance. Okay, I know that. That's what I've been doing. Burn. Why do I need to burn this? Wait, why am I tossing this? Oh my god, I missed! The hell, still alive? I'm not gonna burn it. What a waste of my match. Thought there's one more dude. Wait, I have unlimited ammos, right? Oh no! Oh, come on. Okay, I need a syringe. Okay, I think I have a limit of ammos. Right? It should be. So I'm just gonna keep using all my ammos. Still alive? There's fire here. What's this? More syringe, perfect. Ammos. Nothing here. I don't get why do I have to burn it. What's the point of burning it? Full. I still got one more, so I'll just burn it. Now I'll pick it up. I guess my max is 5 matches. Yeah. Max is 5 matches. Okay, let's see, where do I go from here? What do I pick up? A note. Okay. Oh, booby trap. Nice. Wait, there's nothing here. Right? Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing here. Okay, I think I'll just go down. Follow the light. Oh, actually, there's a lot of places to go. Can I hold this? Let's see what happens if I come here.
I feel like I'm being pulled just looking at it.
Wait, what the heck? It's shrinking. What the hell? Oh wait, it's not shrinking. It's turning. Okay. Okay, let's go up here. Oh damn, I think I'm lagging a little bit. Oh, whoa, what's that? This guy's holding a fire. What? two-shot. Oh, he got trapped. Disarming bear traps. Control and space. Can I keep it? Oh, I can't keep it. Okay, why am I lagging a little bit? Is it because there's too much going on right now? Disarm this. Oh, I thought I fought him. What? I'm dead? No. How is that possible? Okay, let's start again. The process F. Dang, I got hella blood on me. Oh, come on, I missed. Get in trap, get in trap. Hell yeah. Oh my god, you're not dead. Huh. Why aren't they down when I whacked him? A lot of times. What the hell? I didn't see that. Oh! How did I miss all that? Run, run, run! Let me reload. Damn, this is horrible. Why am I lagging? Yeah, I don't understand why am I lagging. Okay, let's see. Where do I go? I hear you. Just gotta know where you are. Holy crap, that's a lot of them. I need to... Let's go this way.
Good God. That's right. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah, I gotta sneak around. Holy crap. Oh my god, I alerted them. Run, 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 run.
Shit. Better get out of here.
Come on.
damn it!
Oh, you're stuck. Damn. Flying kick. Zombies can't swim. That's probably the safest place. Yeah, chapter 2 clear. Let's save this. And let's go to chapter 2, next chapter. When disarming explosive traps, timing is a little early. Timing a little early. Where am I now? Some kind of cave? What kind of story is like this now? I just end up here when I was in the city. Chapter 3, Claws of the Horde. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a break. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is different than... well, actually, this game is almost like Resident Evil. But I feel like Resident Evil is probably a little more scary. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And stay tuned for the next video. I'll probably be making more videos like this, or this kind of video. Yeah, see you on the next one. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.